Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Today I'm taking apart VM50 karcher window vac because what's happening is it's not holding its charge. So all I've done is I've took some of these screws out, and I'll show you inside what it looks like. There's the tube for sucking all the water out. It just goes up there into the tank. So what I thought was I might be able to replace the battery because these do go after a while. But the problem I've got is inside it, the battery is actually attached to two of these. It's made in Japan, as you can see. So now I'm at the point now where if I can't sort this battery out, it's going to have to go in the bin, which is a shame really because it's been a good machine. But I mean, after so long, if the battery goes, it would have been better off if they could have been able to replace the battery. I'm not sure if this will come apart, but I suspect not. I suppose it's a built-in unit. You know, everything else works. I mean, the trigger housing, that's been not too bad. But I thought it might have a bit of like water inside the system, but being a water-based machine, you should be able to handle that. Yep. So if you buy one of these, just bear in mind that this is a problem with them, and obviously I'm finding out now, unless I can get around this, there's nothing else the matter with it. So anyway guys, thought I'd show you that. That's the base. Any suggestions or whatever, leave them in the comments. But yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to chuck it. It's a shame, isn't it? More disposable items. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.